Welcome to the beautiful Mediterranean, my friend.
Okay, so real Italian pasta, huh?
This is absolutely amazing. This week we travel from the beautiful island of Malta to the capital of Italy, Rome, where I'm doing my 200-ton motor yacht conversion. Olivia gets her hands really dirty cleaning a yacht, we explore Rome and so much more. Make sure to go to my Patreon site, see the longer, fuller behind the scenes and uncut versions right there. Enjoy this week's episode.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What time is it?
Better get up. Going wrong.
Okay, right. Do you want normal milk or almond milk?
I want normal milk.
Because I'm going to drink this thing like a shot of tequila before we go. So if anybody wanted to know, we live at the Red Door in Malta. If you wanted biltong, well, we can supply that too. Here's our bolt, let's go.
Yeah!
It's a new day, recreation. I've come a long way from destination. I ride the thunder, I'm still storm chasing. Gonna test me, but I'm still.
Why are you so excited?
I'm excited because it's gonna be my first time in Rome.
No. You know what she said to me last night? Love you, guess
Oh,
what? It's
yeah.
gonna be my first
Gonna
time
be my-
sleeping on a boat, and I'm like, you're going to a yacht. I'm failing miserably at this because from now on, that's gonna be your standard.
Yay.
From the last dance, no chance at redemption was stabbed repeatedly. Gave all that I had, was taken from me so greedily. High levels of emotion like a dose of radiation. Casket, coffin, passion quickly turns into frustration. In the movie, salvation is cheap, but in real life it costs more than 3 times D. Yo, I recall why scrawl thoughts of a cinema montage. Kaleidoscope emotions putting pics on the collage. I watch the sky.
Just want to get it on camera that this guy is probably babalas. Welcome to Porto di Roma, guys. We're in Rome, and today we'll be going to a boat without a stick on it.
Casket, coffin, passion quickly turns into frustration. In the movie, salvation is cheap, but in real life it costs more than 3 times D. Yo, I recall.
Did you make it?
Yeah.
So we can put our bags inside, I guess. I wish I had the camera rolling. She stands there and she says, "It's moving."
If it's moving.
Of course it's moving. You want to tell me, can we have something
Can
like
we
this?
have a boat like this?
No. First of all, it doesn't have sails. And then second of all, I don't have $6-7 million toys. There you go, there's a nice barley. Ah, look at that, looks like a oyster or something. Beautiful. I've never seen so many sailboats in Italy. But so this is the boat I'm gonna be doing my practical on. Here to help a captain friend of mine clean the boat, and we're gonna move it and run the engines.
Angel light. Take a look at the crook, your best friend with the left hook. All in the family, man, page in my rhyme book. Full of one-liners, 2-timers and absent-minders. Looking for date, rape, hate between the steel binders. Emails from Helen and Jellin, I'm sick of telling them I'm worse than the worst. First time I'm a third felon and they keep billing me out, selling me out. Next time they strike, psych, man, and there's no telling. And whole flows on soap and the rope and I'm choking on coking. My throat always crashing up on the side of the boat. From the seas of the songs that I wrote. Yeah, these are the seeds of the songs that I wrote. It's a new day, recreation. I've come a long way from destination. But ride the thunder.
All right, it's the next morning and there's gonna be some cleaning on this boat. How do you feel about that?
Me?
All right, so guys, today we're gonna do some super yacht or yacht cleaning with different products. So I know a lot of you guys that's on this channel loves the boats with those big scary things on top called sails and that stick called the mast. Today we are on a Azimut 60 foot. I'm doing my super yacht license in connection or in concordance or with or alongside rather, there's my English word for the day, alongside my sailing qualification. I have a 200-ton license. I'm licensed to sail any ocean sailboat up to 200 ton and to cross any ocean. I'm a commercially endorsed captain, and I'm kind of working my way up to being commercially endorsed on one of these puppies as well. So enough of me, I'm gonna hand over to Clinton. He's gonna show us. Olivia is here. She's gonna make the cleaning so much better because she just looks so much better than me in a blue bikini. I mean, I'd put on a blue bikini for you, but pretty sure that won't go off. No, I just wanted to say that when I'm filming it looks like we're in a hotel. No one would ever tell me that I'm in a boat. Alright, so I just wanted to quickly chat to you about like where are you right now in your life with the yachting industry? Because you sailed a lot and now you're on one of these boats.
It was an interesting transition because, you know, I still love sailing. It still is my passion, and I love the boats. I love sailing boats. Doing my yacht master, got my offshore. I thought I was going to stay in the sailing boats. Last year I started getting into the super yachts. It was a very interesting time. But then I realized, you know, there's a lot of money to be made in these super yachts.
So is it purely a money decision, really?
It was, really, I must say. Sunshine!
And we're interrupted. Hey Sunshine, say hi to YouTube. You're being filmed right now. The plans are the same. We're cleaning the boat and you're taking us to Rome. Sunshine is his girlfriend. She is an Asian woman that lives in Rome, and she's gonna go show us Rome later. Okay, the broadcast was interrupted by that small ad. Sponsored to you by Sunshine.
I started in Palma. I got a job on a sailing yacht, beautiful sailing yacht. It was a spirit yacht. It was beautiful, made out of like purely teak and mahogany. Absolutely lovely yacht. I realized that, you know, there's a lot of money to be made here, and it's also very much more spacious. But please understand, I still love the sailing boats. I just, you know, gotta deal where the money goes.
And I mean, look at this space. It is absolutely, like I was telling Olivia, this is the first time she's ever been on a boat, and I'm like, do not get used to this. Sailing is a little bit like camping on the ocean.
Yeah, cool. So, the boat that we're on is a Azimut Fly 60, kind of a new model, as you can see. Really nice boat, very sporty. And what we're gonna do today, we're gonna do a nice little wash down. So I'm gonna give you a little breakdown on how I like to do a wash down, and you know, get Stefan sweating a little.
Yeah, cool. Let's do it. Thanks, bro.
Let's do it.
Olivia, we have to do an interview for patrons as well. So can you please get your ass out of here? Come on.
Yeah.
So we're trying to figure out how we're gonna do this new patron thing. She says that she's gonna have to come up the stairs. This guy's like, wait! Lights, camera, action, boom! Patron! No, so what I'm going to start doing, guys, is this segment is just for patrons. So we're going to just talk about everything behind the scenes, how it's really going. That's not means that we're not going to give you everything on YouTube, but I feel like I don't want to expose myself too much on YouTube. You guys here love us. You're here because hopefully you want to support us, you want to see us succeed, and we'll share with you a little bit more. So I think first on the line is Piękna. Can you please speak to us in Polish for 30 seconds and tell us how your night was last night on the boat? Go.
Okay, so I need to speak in
Polish.
Polish.
Because we also have that new Polish patron, right?
Okay. So. Pierwsza noc na super jachcie.
Some people have said that I have made an upgrade in my life in terms of the relationship that I've chose. I want to say that I agree right now.
Because I'm ironing
Because
my
you're
shirt.
ironing my shirt on a yacht. You should actually do it.
Bring everything.
For instance, if it's like, let's say I'm washing here and the soap runs down, and then you think, oh, it might have been scrubbed.
Yeah.
It's not. Like, so just double scrub everything.
Okay, Captain Clinton.
I'm enjoying watching you wash the boat. No one's filming me, but don't think I'm not working, eh? Okay, so we're gonna come down here, and Clinton's gonna show us what to do when we want to leave. Look at these puppies. Wow. Just like any other engine, you have to check your oil.
Yeah.
Okay, so it looks good.
Yeah.
So also tell me, like in boats like this, will the captain need to be the engineer like on a sailboat, or do you generally have Volvo do everything for you?
Well, Volvo does the big stuff. You just make sure that you do, you know, just the little things, really.
We are having this conversation. Tell us about it. Oh, she locked the door. Dang it. Come on. Tell us about the toilet paper. Tell us about the toilet paper usage in there. Tell me, how did I do today with your boat wash down? Out of 10. If it's below 5, lie.
No, I was very impressed with it. I mean, you know how to clean a boat, man. It's just bigger boat. I mean, the sailboat's also made out of gel coat these days and teak. So, yeah. I mean, I was very happy with your work. I'm glad that, like, I love the enthusiasm, like always. And yeah, I mean, I'd wish that you could just stay with me longer.
I just want to say, gin and tonic right now is tasting really nice. My back is hurting. So I've never cleaned a boat like this before, and I at some point thought it was never gonna stop. So like now I don't really want to touch much outside, but it did rain. Of course it did, because we cleaned the boat. So of course that rain. Because we told her there's not allowed to use toilet paper, and she was like, no toilet paper should be used, nothing at all. And she came out, somebody use toilet paper. I think she's been counting the blocks on the road.
I think she's been counting the blocks, definitely. Definitely.
Well, thank you for a good day, and thank you for showing us how to clean the boat.
You are welcome.
Salute.
And thank you for your help and determination. I wouldn't have been able to get this clean without you, man.
Alright, so after that boat wash today, we are going to go to Rome, and Captain Clinton has his friend called Moonshine. Or is it Sunshine?
Sunshine.
Sunshine. I like Moonshine though, because you can drink it. But he's going to go show us a little bit of Rome. Sweet!
Let's go.
Do you have
We're
it?
doing it in the name of sailing. Three.
How spectacular is that?
Wow.
This is song that reminds me of Africa. South Africa.
Hey, Ricky.
Just like a little biter. Just like those
version.
Alright guys, today is the D-Day.
You have to press power button. Steering wheel. We're ready to go. So tell me, what are you doing right now?
It's like a video game.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of boat rules, but there's one rule that's most important. It's the rule of gross tonnage. Guy that's the biggest, get out of his way.